A Turkish economist has said that China's long-term plan towards modernization has proven successful and the result is very impressive. Gوین, managing director of the Economic Policy Research Foundation of Turkey, an Ankara-based think tank, made the remarks in a recent interview with Xinhua. He said that China's modernization has changed the global political and economic landscape and provides inspiration for other nations, especially developing ones, including Turkey.
China had an impressive performance in terms of growth, job creation, and structural transformation in the last 40 years. When I look at the Chinese modernization process, I'm very much impressed because when I went to China about 12 years ago, I saw a developing country that has solved its all infrastructure problems in such a short span of time. It was very impressive. The planned modernization process of China was a great success. China is now a higher middle income country as a result of that transformation process. Now what we are seeing in this whole region are Chinese investments. And now China is a country that is investing more outside China. China has learned how to produce things, and now China is producing those things in other countries by making foreign direct investments in other countries, including Turkey. The Chinese modernization process experiment that produced results perfectly, continually along the years. China used this global environment to getting richer by opening up and getting more and more FDI in the context of a long-term plan by using all those means that the globalization is providing. I think China has achieved an impressive transformation process.